morning, YouTube. Today, I'm going to take a tour of this bus. They've got this really cool hanging outside that they've got a light shining on at night, so it sort of glows, moves. It's pretty cool.
All right, so this is it's a 1995 Bluebird International T3800, and we bought this May of 2016, did about 8 months of conversion work, and then hit the road. Been on the road for almost a year. As far as the work we've done in here, the cockpit we haven't really messed with much at all except to decorate it with trinkets and memorabilia.
Like mine.
Yeah. Yeah, we were admiring your spread up at the windshield there. Yeah. We did our all of our solar and electrical stuff is up here in the front part of our dinette. We did 3 solar panels up top. They're 280 watts each. We have a 1,000-watt inverter.
Batteries are under here?
Yeah, everything is under
That's cool.
here. This pops out and has our panel inside. Yep. And then
that looks vaguely familiar.
Yeah. Everything is down here. 4 6 volts series and parallel.
Right.
Got the Morningstar controller, 1,000-watt inverter, and a charger.
Nice.
I would love to have a bigger inverter. Maybe that's an upgrade we'll make one day, but we don't run a lot of appliances or any heavy-duty stuff that draws a lot of power either.
Yeah, mine's all 12 volt. So
we do the water pump, and the fridge is 12 volt. Everything else is running through the inverter, and we did really kind of simple like medium-duty extension cords down the side.
Right.
Just because we're not pulling huge loads. It's just phones and laptops and lights and things like that. We did splurge a little bit on our fridge, so we got a winter. This is their, I guess their second largest. It's like a 6 liter, 6 and some change. Pulls like 5.5 amps. It's great. A little pricey for a fridge. But
luxury for compared to my little one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Well.
We
you haven't done a tour of mine yet.
No, we haven't.
No, not yet. Yeah. No, we'll but we're anxious to. We'll come check it out.
Yeah. Then you'll understand.
Yeah.
But it works great for us. In lieu of getting ice every few days or what have you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It doesn't pull much, and it's just a refrigerator, not a freezer too. But
yeah, it doesn't surge when it kicks on, which is nice. So our medium-sized inverter works fine for that.
Yeah.
This is 110.
Yeah. This runs off DC.
Oh, okay.
12 volt. That and the water pump, which we hooked a little switch up here so we can actually shut that on and off. But we leave the
nice deep laundry sink kind of thing.
Yeah. Used utility sink that we just got at Habitat for Humanity store. We use a camping stove with a 20-pound tank that's down under the counter. Kind of rigged up a cookie sheet and a window fan for our ventilation for the range here. And we do a 55-gallon food-safe plastic drum, and it's just a open top, so we can take the counter off and run a hose through the window, fill her up.
All right.
Got a shower here as well. Pretty just utilitarian type of thing. The handle type shower that came with our water heater. It's a washing machine pan that we just kind of sealed the hell out of it and piecemealed that all together, but it works.
Yeah.
And this is where the water heater comes out here and vents out. It's a tankless. Can't really see it too well from out.
Okay.
Out here.
Easy swapped out tank for the propane.
Right, and we have a backup that we use sometimes for our propane heater.
Right.
And
I love these,
storage. Yeah, this was a 4-panel divider that was in our house. Just one of those little movable Japanese style dividers.
Yeah.
We took it apart and used it for pantry and closet. We got a composting toilet, bucket style composting toilet, and the bed area, which is the cat's favorite place. Book, shelving and cat
Nice.
tree and all that.
How many cats do you have?
Two.
Two?
Just these two right here.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I like your catio.
Yeah, it's been very handy.
We'll show you that.
It took a little while for them to figure it out, but
Right.
they love it.
Well, very nice.
Yeah, pretty comfortable in it. Everything.
Yep. Has
Functional.
everything we need.
Yep.
So we don't want for much. Maybe a little more power from the electrical supply, but that's about it. And yeah, it's cozy.
Now, do you
Works
have a
for us.
YouTube channel or
Instagram?
Instagram.
Instagram. There's a Facebook page for the bus, Margot Tenenbus.
Tell us what it is.
It's Margot.Tenenbus. That's Instagram and Facebook.
Cool.
So we that's all we have going right now. We're starting to get, being here and being inspired by everybody else is
Right.
kind of getting me worked up about doing more with that stuff.
Right.
Being
Well,
active.
very
Yeah,
nice.
being more
we're
active.
pretty,
Yeah.
we're pretty moderate.
Well, thank you for the tour.
Thank you guys.
And I'll try to put a link down below. And see you later, YouTube. So this is the catio. There, two cats can come out and play and get some sun
There you go.
and taunt the dogs that wander around below them.
Yeah, right. Good morning.
I know that look. That's like, give me a cup of coffee.